in Angela's room and we would like to dedicate happy birthday to Aldred. Shh, calm down. So, the cake. It's so happy. Happy and alone. It's so good looking that we don't want to eat it. This is Angela. And this is Farisha. Very ready to take down the cake. And this is Maurice. Ay, ano yun? Nakasubaliktad. Baliktad. Ano pala? Hindi ka naman. Ayan yung smile mo. How do you feel when you eat the cake?
I feel so happy.
Ay!
Like happy birthday.
Sige na, kanta na tayo. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. 36 years old. Happy birthday to you. 56 years old. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. 59. Happy birthday to you. Ooh, the electric fan blew na. Like,
Ooh, the Conjuring.
The Conjuring. So, how was Conjuring? Conjuring?
Bilis na, game na. Kainin niyo.
Yeah, game na daw. And the game begin.
Buka naman ang kutsara.
Nagalit ang birthday celebrant. Gusto